The 1925 Holton alto saxophone named Encina is done. Done enough anyway. I probably still am going to have some fine adjustments to do, key heights, spring tensions and stuff, but everything went pretty well with the pads. No light leaks. Had to float one or two of them a little bit. Some crooked keys slightly, but nothing major. Anyway, playing it with the vintage mouthpiece, the hard rubber mouthpiece with a small opening, and man, what a difference. It's difficult for me, but I'm gonna give it a go. Try the octave key. Well, there you go. Got some practicing to do. I don't know about this mouthpiece. Any suggestions? Try a harder reed? I got a number 2 in there now. I don't know. Maybe it's the ligature that needs to be with a hard rubber mouthpiece. Tricky to play. Intonation's a little off. But hey, it is making notes. Thanks for all your help. See ya.